Hello, my name is Marcelo Serna, and these are my explanations for the derivative problems of today. So, the first problem we got is this one. It's the division of two different terms, so we will use quotient rule. This is the formula to find the derivative of the quotient using quotient rule. In this case, u is 3e to the power of x, and our v is x squared plus 7. This is the derivative of the u, and this is the derivative of the v. Now that we have our terms, we replace them in the equation to get the derivative using quotient rule. And once we simplify these terms and do all that, we get this, which is the final answer. Now we got a multiplication of two different terms, so we will use product rule, which is this. This is a equation to get the derivative of product rule. Our u is e to the power of 2x, and our v is e to the power of 2x plus 7 squared. This is the derivative of the u, and to get the derivative of v, we have to use chain rule since it's a term, an argument to the power of some of a number, right? So we apply the chain rule, and this is our derivative. Now we replace these terms into our formula of product rule, and after simplifying and combining like terms, this is our final answer. For this term, it's the same. It's product rule. It's this u to the power of 5x times the natural logarithm of 2x plus 1 squared. So once again, this is our u e to the power of 5x, and this is the derivative which we obtain using exponential rule. And to get the derivative, we used logarithmic rules to pass this 3 over here, so we don't have to use chain rule and make it the procedure a little bit easier. Uh, so to obtain logarithmic derivatives, we have the derivative of the argument up and the argument down, and we multiply that times the coefficient, which is 3, so we get this is the derivative of this argument. Now we replace these terms into the equation, and we combine it like terms, and this is our final answer. Finally, we got the natural logarithm of a fraction, well, a quotient. So once again, using logarithmic rules, we can simplify or make this problem easier by separating these two terms into a subtraction. So we got the natural logarithm of 3y plus 1 squared and minus the natural logarithm of y squared plus 1 to the power of 1 half since it's a radical, right? So we need the argument of both. We need the derivative of both arguments, so we got that through chain rule in this case and chain rule over here. And these are the arguments. We now replace the terms we have into the derivative of logarithm equation, I guess. And we simplify. We use tortilla in this case since it's two fractions dividing by themselves. So after simplifying and everything, this is our final answer. Thank you.